I'm gonna start off with my eyelids primed, and I want to use, because I don't have any base, I'm gonna use a red lipstick for the base. I want the red to really show up, so that's how I'm gonna use a red lipstick. Hopefully this works. I have no idea if this is gonna work, we shall see. But I'm using a small brush to pack some color, but only on the inner eye, like so. I'm not gonna focus it on the outer eye just yet. If I do need color there, I'll add it, but for now I'm working bit by bit. So now I'm just gonna go in with the red in the Demi X Revolution, and I'm gonna pack that color in the. So now I'm just gonna cut the crease. And as you guys can see, I'm not creating like the traditional one that goes out like so, because we didn't blend this one all the way out. I am cutting it exactly there where I basically left off the color, and now I'm tapping off all the excess, and I'm gonna remove the bulk product that is on my lid, just making sure that my surface is nice and smooth to work with. I'm gonna go in with my Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and I want to use this peachy looking shade here. I'm gonna mimic a winged liner. We're just gonna smudge, we're gonna create a smudged out red liner. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys, because we are smudging this out. And if you guys aren't comfortable with just winging it like this, it would be my suggestion for you to put some tape on the corner of your eye, the outer corner, so that you have a nice smooth cut on the end, like that, and then I'm just gonna tap that over the lipstick so that it doesn't move around on me. So now I'm just gonna rush through this process because I always do the same thing for my foundation. I don't have anything new to review, so that's why I just want to rush through it, because there's nothing new here. And if you guys want to know how I do my foundation, it's in all my other videos. So also now another thing, before I go on with my skin, I'm gonna clean up with a small flat brush. So these edges over here that look like a mess, I'm about to put them in place, hunty. So now basically with my foundation done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just smoke out the lower lash with the bit of red. I'm applying some lipstick on the bottom like so, and then with the same red eyeshadow, I'm just gonna blend that out and at the same time set it. So basically that's what we have at the moment. And please don't be mad at the fact that a lot of this video is going to be muted out because of the noise that's happening around. So whichever like few minutes or seconds of silence that I get, I use that so that I can say something. But a lot of that is not happening because like there's gonna be no speaking because of the fact that so much noise happening in my street at the moment. So as you guys can hear, it's silent now, but then just like that, and then there's like noise and children running up and down the street and screaming. So a lot of the audio is going to be muted in this video for that purpose, and hopefully you guys understand. Please don't be mad at the fact that there's going to be music or like an instrumental playing a lot of the time. I will try and boost up that and lower the audio so that it's not too much interference happening in the video itself. But yeah, at the moment this is what we have for the eye look. And I think I want to add, this is my friend's diamonds and I'm going ham with it, but I'm really enjoying my time with him. You guys can see these are the diamonds, and I want to go with these white ones. It looks so iridescent and it's just calling my name, so how can I say no? So excited! So now what I'm gonna do is, with the lash glue, I'm putting it on the liner brush like so. Oh, too much. Just like that. And then I'm gonna make 2 tiny little dots. When I'm looking straight ahead like this, I want it to be there and there. I want to go with something, I don't even know. I'm gonna go with this gold shade in the velvet rose over here. It looks like a chunky gold glitter, and I'm gonna apply that on my inner corner. So that's basically what we have for the eye look, and I think that's where I want to leave it. Let's not do the most, although we are already there. So that's basically the look for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, cutting out my foundation routine because it's so repetitive. I hope you guys don't mind that. I want to focus more on like glam eye looks, but aside from that, I just like slapped on a red lip, the same red lipstick that I used on the eyeshadow. So that's all I did, and I slapped on lashes, and that's basically all that I did off camera. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. Like, literally just suggest stuff if you wanna. Just suggest something, you know. And then also hit the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I do upload a new video. And that's basically it, son. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye, guys. Why the noise?